Well, a lot of the industry out there today really taken by just on price principles only, and it seems like there's a growing need and want for people to actually look at the total cost of owning a piece of equipment, all the way from what it costs to run fuel through the product, and all the costs incurred throughout the whole lifetime of a piece of equipment. They might be looking at a piece of equipment that they run for 8 years and want to see how that's broke down on a per hour basis on hours consumed on a machine. A life cycle costing project. And what it is you have cost of ownership, which is your buy costs on a piece of equipment, what it takes to insure it, the interest rates, and those types of things. And so that's your cost of ownership. Now, cost of operation actually falls into a daily cost of running a piece of machinery. It might be like 2 operators run the machine. It's a fuel cost that's involved. It's knife changes in a brush chipper. It's a number of times you dump in a landfill. So what we do today is we take the cost of ownership, cost of operation, and then we take and put that together to come up with a life cycle cost, which is really a total of both of them. And then you can take the hours of operation over the life of that piece of equipment and break down the cost of that piece of equipment on an hourly base. So they can go out and bid jobs knowing that that machine is going to cost them X amount of dollars on an hourly base. So they can actually bid jobs a lot closer and be able to understand a little more upfront what their profitability on this product is. I think it's been in the industrial industry for quite a while, but my focus has noticed that it's not in the brush chipper or the tree industry so much, but there's a lot of wants and wishes out there to bring that in. I think I see it in a lot of heavier equipment and stuff in the field versus some of the smaller units like the brush chippers and that. But as I start getting into this project and working with our product specialist people and salespeople in the field and everything, we're starting to find out that customers are really wanting this information. They don't have a lot of information within their own grasp, but they're wanting ways to be able to collect it and pull it together. And it seems like this is something that's really generating a lot of interest in the field. I think the best recommendations I can make is go to your local dealers and stuff, because we're working a lot more with a lot of the sales folks in the field, and they're going to be your quickest avenue to really get to that point. And if they need assistance, they can by all means direct questions back to Vermeer Manufacturing or through our field specialist people and actually come up with that cost.